Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can sign out Microsoft account on Windows 11, and it will be an step-by-step video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to go to the setting. Once you come over here, then you will see that our profile is able login here. As you can see, this is my profile. So if I want to log in from that place, how I can do it? The process is really simple. You just need to click over here, and once you click over here, then just enter into your info options. Just click over here, and then eventually you will find out the options like account. If you click over here, the account, it will open in here. There is a way to sign in or sign out. Then let's go again and let's talk about another one to sign out, how you can sign out from that place. So again, let's go to the home and then go to the profile, and here you just need to click on this one, your info, or if you scroll down here, you will find out the account and options. Many things we have in that place. So if I click on sign in options, once I click over here, then you can see we have many things. That is the facial and like a ways to sign in. But how we can sign out? The process is really simple again. So you just need to go over here and then just click to the stop sign in into all Microsoft and sign in with Microsoft account instead only. So you just need to be signing here, and then you can easily sign into your account, and this is the way you can log out also. So this is the easiest way. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.